Hi, I'm back with the fourth product in the Safe Haven 5 Starter Kit. Just a little reminder, it's 5 products that will help you clean up to 90% of your home with just these 5 products and water. Great place to start, and if you already have Norwex, it's a great way to replenish your products, okay? So the fourth product in the Safe Haven 5 is the cleaning paste. Okay, this is what we refer to as our elbow grease in a jar. This jar here is going to last you a long time. Okay, when you open it up, you're going to say to me, Jean, this is not paste. Like, what is this? It's this chalky substance, right? Okay, the 3 main ingredients in this is marble flour, natural soaps, and a little bit of coconut oil. Okay, the way that we make our paste is we take our damp Enviro cloth and you rub it on this block, and you're going to create the paste on your cloth, okay, on your microfiber cloth. This is the Enviro cloth. Okay, the paste, elbow grease in a jar. Yes, we can clean a lot of our products or a lot of our surfaces with just our microfiber and water. But sometimes you have those rings in your sink. You have the rings around your bathtub. I actually clean the dirt off of my Converse shoes, you know, like the front part there. I like to clean that up, spiff that up. I've seen people use this on outdoor furniture. Did a fantastic job. Someone was actually going to throw away their table and they went and used the cleaning paste and it looked almost brand new. So amazing. I have my kids help me clean my grout. I had the cleaning paste and some toothbrushes, and they were helping me, and I don't have to worry about it because there's nothing toxic in here. I'm not worried about them inhaling anything. I'm not worried about them touching anything. You know, they offered to help. I'm not going to turn down good help, right? So again, this is for those little bit tougher jobs that need a little bit of elbow grease, okay? And again, I said this thing is going to last you a long time. Mine lasts for about at least a year. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate. I wrote just a little bit ago on my tile here with a Sharpie pen or Sharpie marker. My Sharpie, I wrote, I love Norwex. Okay, I'm going to take my cleaning paste here, and again, just a little extra elbow grease. To get this Sharpie off. And then you're going to take another part of your cloth and just wipe. It might leave a little bit of, like, you know, a little bit of a film there. You're just going to wipe that film off, and that's it. So I'll post a picture too of some other before and afters. Great uses for this paste. It's definitely one of our all-time favorites. Definitely a favorite, and stay tuned for more.